back at it again with another video. I haven't been posting a lot because if y'all don't know, I work 2 jobs and I'm a full-time student, so you tell me. Time it's just it's everywhere. But this is the look that I filmed today. Valentine's Day look. I'm in a rush because I gotta go to work since 11:28 right now. I'm supposed to be there at 12 o'clock and it's in Buckhead, like 15-20 minutes away. But we gonna I already know. Primer with my Tarp shape tape. Blending brush. Well, concealer brush. BH Cosmetics number 14. I gotta go to work in like 45 minutes. What time is it, Bailey?
10:26.
Huh?
10:26.
26?
Yeah.
Okay.
27 now.
Okay, fuck it. Can you please shut up?
I'm just letting you know what time it is, bitch, okay?
Brazil. We're going to Brazil. BH Cosmetics is gonna take us. Using this shade right here. Well, these two. Blending them both. And kabuki brush. Same brush as y'all know I order off eBay that are cheap as crap for like 30 of them for $8. Well, I ain't gonna say 8, I'm gonna say 15. Stop playing. Look at it. But one thing about this is it doesn't look red, it looks Marseille pink. But we're just gonna keep moving because it came out beautifully over here. We're gonna do that. Here's this shade right here. Is there, what is this? A crease / smudge brush. Oh god. This navy blue right here. This navy blue right here, man. And my BH Cosmetics brush number 11. Now some purple. Oh. This one. And my BH Cosmetics brush number 1, 2, 12. I don't know how to count. That's basically the lid right there. That's all you're gonna need. Now, on to the more complex stuff. Yeah, I have a mirror right here that I'm looking at, but I don't want y'all to see me looking at my mirror because that's not what I'm supposed to be doing. I'm supposed to be looking at y'all, but I can't. You know? Can you shut up? Please. Okay, so what did I do? I'm going to yeah, I'm gonna get my glitter primer by NYX. Squeeze it a little bit onto my hand. My BH Cosmetics brush number 16. 16. 16. Go. See, look good. Drag it out. I don't know. But it's gotta go right above the crease, though. That's for sure. I'm using NYX, this glitter. 02. My brush. 18. Tapping it in there. BH Cosmetics brush, by the way. Valentine's Day coming up, guys. I already know what I'm doing. Masturbate.
Oh, you definitely edited this. Do not put that on there.
You sure?
I'm positive.
You must don't know who you're talking to, Bailey. Oh, this is my liner. Vivid Brights. What is this color? 06 Vivid Petal. Just line underneath the glitter, okay? Put you on your lashes. And the lashes that I'm wearing right now, currently, as of 2018, Lily Lashes in Miami. Let me go put those on. I'll be back. But I do miss y'all. I really do. And I have more looks coming on the way. Let me know what y'all want to see. In this skincare, I still got this Dermologica. Like, I'm just constantly building up this company. Dermologica set for you guys if y'all really want to with me, and get me to 200 subscribers. And that's when y'all gonna get this Dermologica skincare gift set. So stop playing. Don't set yourself up for failure. You get this gift set. Stop playing. Spread the word. Follow Kareema. You know, laugh. You know, makeup. All that. Love you guys. Peace. Keep watching.